In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices for Shopify orders in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build an invoice from a Shopify order, approve it, and email it to your customer, all within Xero's invoicing workflow. First, open Xero and head to the sales area. This is your home base for everything you bill. From there, go into Invoices to see your current list. This page confirms what's already been issued and gives you quick access to start a new one. Next, choose New Invoice to open a fresh invoice form. At the top, select the contact. Begin typing the customer's name and pick the correct match from the list. Make sure the contact details look right, since these will appear on the invoice your customer receives. Now set the due date. If the Shopify order was paid at checkout, choose a due date that reflects that, like the invoice date. If you allow terms for certain customers, pick the appropriate date so your reports and reminders stay accurate. Move to the Line Items section and select the Shopify item you sold. Use the item field to search and choose the exact product so Xero can pull in the default description, account, and tax settings. For example, if the order was for golf balls, white single, pick that item from the list to populate the line. Adjust the quantity to match the order. Double check the unit price, tax rate, and totals that calculate automatically. If your Shopify price includes tax, make sure the tax selection in Xero reflects that so the totals align. This is a good moment to confirm any shipping or product variants are represented correctly if they're part of your item setup. With the details confirmed, choose Approve and Email. Approving finalizes the invoice and opens the email window in one step, which is perfect when you're ready to send the invoice immediately. In the email window, review the recipient, subject, and message. Ensure the customer's address is correct and the content is clear. A concise message that references the order helps your customer recognize the invoice right away. When everything looks good, click. Send email to deliver the invoice directly from Xero to your customer's inbox. That's it. You navigated to Sales, opened Invoices, created a new invoice, selected the contact and due date, added the correct Shopify item, adjusted the quantity, approved the invoice, and sent it by email. Follow this flow. Each time you receive a Shopify order, you need to invoice in Xero, and your billing will stay consistent, accurate, and fast.